Hello, good morning. It is quite early in the morning. I hope everyone's doing well. So we're gonna do Leet Code today. And by we, I mean I'm gonna sit here and go, what is this nonsense? It's been 50 years. Hopefully by doing this I'll remember how to do JavaScript. But yeah, so we're gonna do some problems. I don't know how many. I think we'll do a couple. Get like an hour or two's worth. The first couple questions will probably be pretty rough, just saying. So we're gonna do easy ones. We're gonna do these top interview 150 questions. And we're just gonna bounce between like easy stuff to like easy stuff, and then we're gonna do medium, then we're gonna do hard. Although in my experience you don't really need to do the hard questions, but whatever. I made a whole brand new account, so we should be good. But for anyone who's not familiar with Leet Code, they give you like these sort of questions. I've realized that it's a little cut off on the side. It's fine. Yeah, so they give you these questions, and maybe I'll fix that. It's bothering me. Oops, what's wrong? Wait. No, I don't think I can fix that. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, they give you questions, and then you put your code here, and then you write it, and then you can run it, and then you can submit it. There's test cases, test results, yada yada yada. You can specify a bunch of different languages here. We're gonna be doing JavaScript because it's been a while. I have to remember how to do it because everyone's asking for JavaScript. So yeah. So like I said, it's gonna be a little rough. These first couple ones, partially because it's 8 a.m. and I didn't sleep. No, partially because it's been like I think 2 years since I did JavaScript professionally. So yeah. Before anyone asks, no, I didn't have coffee. I don't drink coffee. So I'm running on like 3 hours of sleep. Okay, so merge a sorted array. You're given 2 integer arrays sorted in non-decreasing order, and 2 integers m and n representing the number of elements, respectively. Merge into a single array sorted in non-decreasing order. The final sorted array should not be returned by the function, but instead stored inside the array nums1. To accommodate this, nums1 has the length of n plus n. Yeah, so you don't have to worry about resizing. Okay. So here are some examples. You have 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, m is equal to 3, nums is 2, 5, 6, n is equal to 3. Right, we're merging 1, 2, 3, and 2, 5, 6. The result of the merge is this, with the underlying elements coming from nums1. The result of the merge is 1. Ways we are merging are empty and 1, the result of the merge is 1. The merge result can fit. It's asking if you can run it in that time. So they're already sorted, so you don't have to worry about sorting. I don't like these sorts of questions here because it's like I know why this is like this, but I hate it. Anyways. I forget. What's the difference between var and let? I think they changed it. I'm pretty sure let is automatic local scope. Yeah. Code is safe to local, yeah. Zero element set to 0 and should be ignored. Okay. So ooh, I hate this. We're gonna do the really simple example. Nums is equal to 1, m is equal to 1, nums is empty, n is equal to 0. So we're only gonna execute over one of these. So we'll do num1. What is that? Nums1 of I. I less than, well, we need to have a separate counter. I'm lazy. M is, no, n is less than n. Okay. So if our counter is less than the size we have, then nums2 of num2 counter. Otherwise it's a 0. I don't know, can you see this well enough? Oh, I can't zoom in. Ooh. So basically, nums1 will always be the correct size. Num2 won't be. Just thinking of a situation, I'm thinking. So let's use this one as an example. So our eye will always be pointing to the element here. This one, then this one, then this one, then this one. And this one will be counting to like this. So if we just execute through this one and this one, you compare the two of them. This one's smaller, so it stays. Then you go this one and this one. This one is the same, so it can stay. This one and this one. This one is smaller, so it replaces that there. We can actually swap it, I think. And swap it. So this 3 goes, this 2 goes here, this 3 goes here. And then you hit here, and you go, okay, well, then we go 3, 5, 6. And if you're not going to do a swap, you just increment the counter. Hello, how are you doing? Good morning. How's it going? I just woke up. Pretty late for you? Oh, I see, I see. No, I did a stream last night until midnight, and then I didn't really sleep, and now it's 8 a.m. I'm a little tired. Should be in bed, but I'm like, I want to finish this, but now you're procrastinating. Ah, I see. I understand. All right, so. So if num1 is less than num2, actually, if num2 is less than num1, okay, right, so this 2 is less than the 3. I is equal to num2 and nums 2 of number counter. I'll just do a swap. That's assuming that's a smaller. It would have to. Yeah. We don't have to do any other checks because num2 less than num1. Zero should be ignored. I feel like something, wait, do they show the test cases? Oh, they don't, wait. Ah, test case 1, 2, and 3. Did they not do any other ones? They must do more. I feel like something they would do is throw zeros into nums2 to check it works. Yep. So if this one is smaller than this one, do a swap. Wait. It's early morning brain. I'm yeah. That's the swap. If oh, thank you for the follow. So this is 0. We're not dealing with it doesn't say we're dealing with negative numbers. Where is it? Okay, here's the constraints. Length. Okay, it's between 0 and n. Oh, we can deal with negative numbers. Okay. So if the number is that, let's run. Yeah, I figured. What do we get? Nums1 has 1 element in it. M is 1. Nums2 is empty. N is 0. The output's 0. No backseating? No backseating. Unless I say help. No, I'm just like, I literally woke up, so I'm ooh. And it's been a while. It's been 2 years since I did these and JavaScript, so I'm playing on hard mode this morning. Is what's happening. Yeah, no. Okay, so nums2 is empty. So 0 is less than 0, which gives me a 0. Okay. There we go. It's not perfect. Let's see. Yep. 16 out of 15. Yeah, that's fine. All right, wrong answer. This is why you have test-driven development. 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I can't. It's too early in the morning. I can't be bothered to. Yeah, put 1, 5. Okay, so why is it doing this? 1. So the 4 goes here. Then we compare 5 with 4. Ah. So basically we end up with something looking like well, literally here. I don't think we can use the swap. You're not the only one struggling. You just spent the last 15 minutes editing the wrong file and going, why is it working? That's sleep deprivation for you. Maybe it's a sign you should sleep. Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm struggling. I'm just trying to think. Okay, so I wanted to swap, but I don't think so. I think we need a temp. This is what I get for being smart. So really, I think what we should be doing is we've processed this one. This is our discarded, not discarded, but the one we're holding on to. See, it's so much easier if you can just insert. If you can insert and delete. But that changes the array size, and I don't think that's what they want. You can't insert. I don't. Do not return it. Modify. So the thing is that nums1 is already n plus m size. So I want to insert, but that would expand the size of the array, which I don't think is what they want. Now, you could also make another array that's n plus m size and use that as a temporary and then reassign it. But that also, I think, goes against the spirit of the question. Yeah, because it says modify in place. So that's why I'm like, okay. Well, we'll just think about it. So after our first processing, okay, we have 1, 5, 6, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, oh. Maybe we'll just make a temporary array of like extra values to process, to compare. I know I don't care enough. This will be the difference. Oh, how do you create arrays again? Okay. I wanted to create it of a certain size, but it's fine. Anyways, this will be that size. So Is length the... Yeah, it's the length. Okay, so that'll change every step, so that's fine. So if it's less than, right, 0. Okay. So so now I have 3 numbers to compare. Okay. So we'll do the easy cases first. Let's go to the description. So if num2 and num3 that means we can skip. If I think we need to compare, we'll have like this other array with like 4 in it. So we'll end up with 1, 5, 6, and 4. Okay, we're gonna be looking at 5, 2, and 4. So let's see. These are both a 0. Means we don't have to do any change. If num2 is less than num1. I don't like how to compare 3 numbers. Okay. I think it might be better to compare this guy with this guy first. So if number 2 is less than this guy, then we'll compare. Honestly, I would prefer to like put it, whatever. We're gonna brute force it. We don't care about making it pretty. Making it pretty is for other cases. Okay, and then we put number 1 into num3. How do you push? Oh, it is. Okay, it is push. So we didn't choose to use number 3, so we're gonna push number 1 onto num 3, and then the num 2 counter will increase. Otherwise, we're going to keep using number 1. Otherwise, this is the case where num 3 is non-zero. Kind of the same thing. You just changed the counter around. Okay. Quick. Runtime here. Oh. I misspelled it. Yeah. Output 1 2 3 0 0 0. Okay. It's fine. What are we doing here? So we compare 1 to 2. That one's smaller. So we should just keep it in place. It does. We compare 2 to 2. That one's smaller, so we keep it in place. We compare 3 to 2. So I don't like this is 0 thing. Okay, let's rethink. So if num 3 is 0, we need to skip it. If num 2 is 0, we need to skip it. And then we have, obviously, they're non-zero. So if num 3 is 0, num 2 can't be 0. If num 2 is 0, num 3 can't be 0. Okay. Maybe I can get around it like this. Let's see. One should stay the same. Actually, so we go here, num3 is 0. So I feel like I made it more complicated for myself by putting the other array. Okay. I think you do it without more space, but tricky for sure. Yeah. I don't want to go against the spirit of the question, but it's frustrating. The thing is like this is like exactly the same. Sure. I don't like this. It makes me feel like garbage. I'm like, it's so bad. It's so bad. You know? In num1 to the end. What would that look like for negative numbers? Because we can have negative numbers. I think, yes. You mean that we do 0, 0, 0, negative 1, 1, or 2, whatever, something like that. You would need a custom sort for that, wouldn't you? Just shifting position value doesn't matter. But I kind of wanted to run an m plus n time. Too brain dead anyway. Yeah, that's fine. Because like you would have like that would mean another loop, right? It's still, I guess it is. Because it would only be the size of n, right? I'm pretty sure that's O No, I don't think so. Oh, n. Well, that's true. It would be. So that would be 2m plus n. Okay, we'll try that one. So we want to change nums1. Where's my example? Here we go. So if this is 3, that means that we know there's 3 zeros at the end. Which means we want to shift you want to shift everything by what is it? The difference? No. By n. We want to shift by n. Sorry, I'm just gonna I need it for sanity. I don't like this M and N nonsense. M and M, yeah. We don't even have to necessarily start like we could go backwards. M minus n. Let me see. Yeah. So that means that we can start from this position. And then it would be what? Nums1. We'll just comment this out. Okay. I can't be bothered to print. Nums1 of I plus n. Okay. So that should say that this one is this, and then like that. We'll do a swap. Swap. Come on. Wrong answer. Okay. So we got 0 to 3, huh? Oh. M plus n minus n is m. We somehow gained a number. No, okay, it's because this is -1. Yep, okay. Just moving it to the front. Here we go. So we're now comparing. Let me grab this. See, I don't know if that's the best idea. I mean, how are you doing? Yeah, cause like, okay. This is not in the spirit of the question, but when I see this, I'm like, oh, so we just go, this goes here, and that goes there, and this goes there. And then we do array.sort. And in which case, see, like that's the thing. It's like, okay, this, I think on Leet Code it shows you like the correct answer. Do you want to do that as a I'm sorry. We'll do it. Just for kicks, okay? we're ignoring the spirit of the question. Okay. Cuz this, I don't like this. I'm trying to abide by the spirit of the question. But like really, it's just like, you know, we do nums of I, what nums? 1. Or sorry, nums 1 of m plus I, okay. Nums 2 of I. Okay, we'll run it, and it gives us, okay, and then you do one.sort. Okay. Oh, that's funny. The sort by default. Why does it do that by default? JavaScript sorting is weird. Okay. Do I have to, That's so silly. It accepted it. We're fine. That's not the spirit of the question, but here, we don't need any of this. That's the thing. I wanted to abide by the spirit of the question, but like, what? I beat 99.10%. It's not abiding. Let's see solutions. Oh, is this C++? That was good. That's what we did. Okay. Maybe we shouldn't abide by the spirit of the question. Yeah. Is this the accepted solution? How are you calling sort in a question for sorting? If I needed to do this for work, I'd use sort approach. I would too. Honestly. It's just, I wanted to abide by the spirit of the question, you know? Okay, well, we won't abide by spirit of question anymore. All right. Next. Wait. Okay, that one's easy. We're only doing easy ones today because it's early and I'm tired. Remove element. Yay. Okay. No more abiding by spirit of question. How will I learn? Bro, the thing I do is like systems design. Do you know how much I hate this right now? I haven't done this for like this is not what I talk about in my day-to-day job. I do like rapid prototyping and stuff. Like, you just use the standard library, okay? Nums and an integer value. Remove all occurrences of value in nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed. Then return the number of elements which are not equal to value. Okay. That's so confusing. Consider the number of elements which are not equal to k. To get accepted, you need the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements return k. But how we pass it completely unrelated to the job interview questions. You know what? I'm okay. Yeah, I have had job interviews where they asked me something like this, and I just kind of looked at them and I was like, well, you would use the standard array, the standard library to sort. And like me and the interviewer both had like this look of like, yeah, you know, you would. And we just moved on. But like some interviewers are like, you can answer verbally and they'll be like, no, we want you to write the whole thing out. And it's just sort of like, I don't know if this is a place I want to work at if you're making me do that. That's just busy work for no reason. Okay. So nums is an array. Value is the number we want to remove. K is the remove element. Calls your implementation. Assert. Okay. K is the expected length. Okay. Sort the first K elements of nums. Assert that nums equals the expected nums. Okay. In place. What do they mean? Okay. Okay, so it wants us to replace it with a underscore. Ew. Okay. So they want it to be an underscore. Okay. Oh, it does not matter what you leave beyond the return K, hence they are underscores. We'll just put underscores. That's what it wants. The value is 3. And that's our example. Okay, so the length is 0 to 100. Don't really care. Nums can be 0 to 50. Not really important. Value can be 0 to 100. What? Why is value double the size of the space for... Okay. Spirit of the question. Yeah. The spirit of the question. Okay. It also seems they're just doing a sort. Okay, so what does it want? Like, why would you have value be 0 to 100, but then the elements in nums be 0 to 50? That's sort to every Leet Code question? Maybe. It could be. You never know. Cause like, couldn't you just do like, just replace a thing? Like, it's just like splice, right? That's what it is. No, that inserts. Using array map and filter. Like, that seems so overkill. You know? Embrace the functional side. Yeah. There's like index of too. But like, the spirit of the question, okay? The spirit of the question. Ugh. Okay. Oh, give me a second. Every every language does for each slightly differently. This is why I'm relearning JavaScript. Can we just do a nums.sort? Case 2 is wrong. What did it do? Value is 2. Output. What happened to 3, 4? Huh? I forget if it shows debug. Ah. 222. There's 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you can't just do a sort. don't understand what the output is. 3. What is K? Oh. So it's actually, oh, it works. Why does this work? It's a flaw in the system. Why? Why does it say this passes? If I submit it, does it just work? Is this a flaw in it? I want to know. Do the code devs need to do some more problems? How did removing the console log make it take longer? Did you see that? Oh, okay. What? What? It went from here to here to here to here to, you know what? Okay. What? The variance is huge. Yeah, I'm just like... Wait, why is this okay? Oh, that's why. That's true. You could do this. So what it's doing here is instead of looking for the value like this, if the item is not the value, then you don't need the extra sort. I think it's what? The spirit of the question. You just overwrite it. Oh, thank you for the follow. The cat's cute. Yeah, look at that. That makes sense. You're gonna head to bed. Thank you. Have fun following the spirit of the question. Look, it gives the wrong answer though. You know what? It works. That's all that matters. Is it works. Oops. What? Oh. You know, Fine. All right, next question. The spirit of the question. Remove duplicates from a sorted array. Another one? Oh, why? Non-decreasing order. Remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Return the number of unique elements. Change the array such that the first K elements contain the unique elements in the order they were presented. Oh, thank you for the follow. Why does it... Oh, there's no sort. But the solution is a sort. What if we just use another sort? The spirit of the question. Okay. Here's nums. What's our output 2? Okay. So... Can I not just delete? That's the spirit of the question. Okay, so we have negative 100 to 100, non-decrease in ascending order. Why do they say non-decreasing? Why don't they just say ascending? Okay. Anyways, if it's sorted, make an array of 200. Yeah. I feel like and use the index to see if it's already filtered or not. Well, the thing is that if it's good morning 0. What's this? Leet Code. Technically, any order could be non-decreasing. That's true. You just shuffle the array. Yeah. I'm pretty sure what they mean is ascending, though. We're doing Leet Code. I haven't done JavaScript for 2 years, so we're doing practice. We're starting with the easy ones because it's also I only got like 3 hours of sleep, so and I have to relearn how to like parse this. Spirit of the question, guys. Spirit of the question. Okay, so what's Leet Code? Yeah, so we know that if there's a duplicate, because it's sorted, and the code I wrote last night no longer makes sense. Yeah, I'm probably gonna like pass out at some point today, maybe, or it might be one of those days where I fix my sleep schedule. That's also why I'm doing super early morning stream, is because like I got laid off, sort of May. So my sleep schedule has kind of gone to shit. So we need to fix that. And what better than to have a commitment at 8 a.m. Okay, so yeah, generally speaking, you can tell if it's ununique by just like comparing this value to this value, right? You're like, oh, this one and this one are the same. So we can replace this one. And then you compare this one to this one. Or you can even swap it actually. So you don't have to do a replace. So you have that one. You're like, oh, yep, compare this one to nothing. It's unique. Then you have this one be like your unique pointer index thing. And then you look at this one and you're like, oh, it's the same. Let's swap this with the next value. But if you do a swap, right, like that, you'd be like, okay, this is the new unique one. And you'd be looking at this. But this number, okay. We'll just do a quick. So we're gonna have 2 pointers. Sorry. Last unique index. B0. Okay. So basically if we're at the first one, unique count and last unique index match. I'm trying to think of how to do it in place. Maybe we can avoid using the sort for the solution this time. Spirit of the question. Okay. So that means I is pointing to something. Okay. And so in this case, 1 and 2. So this is where our unique is. This is where that is. So if nums of the last unique index equals this. Okay. So 0 and we're at 1. Then this one is unique. So we want to do nums of I let's do a situation where it's like 1, 1, 1. So we're gonna take this one. We're gonna swap it with the next value. Now we could end up in a situation where so do this situation quickly. You take 1, you swap it with 2, right? So if the number is last unique equals nums of I, and I is then we do swap. So then we would end up with like a 2 and a 1. Because I wanna try to do this in place. Because we could just replace the value and sort it, but that's against the spirit of the question. Although it's true that we could do like 101. We could just set it to 101 and do a sort. That's the easy answer. Okay, let's try thinking of it without using sort, because I feel like that's such a... Okay. So we swap this number with this number. Okay. But, and then we would process, right? And say, oh, this, like we wouldn't move the index, right? We'd be like, is this the same as this? We'd say no, but if we had like 111, right? You would get in a situation where you'd swap this and this, and then you'd look at this and this and you swap it, and then you'd look at this and this and swap it, right? So in this sort of situation, you'd probably want to do like, that I'm not sure if you want to use like another index thing. Oh, but I guess it doesn't matter. You can just overwrite it. You don't need to swap. You can just overwrite it because the last numbers don't matter. Right, so in this case, you could just say, oh, this is a duplicate. So we're gonna take this one, we're gonna just paste it here. Like that. And then we'll compare. So what sort of situation would you end up with with 3? This is our unique. We have that one. We know it's a duplicate. That one's a duplicate. That one's new. we could just do, well, the last unique index. Actually. This may end up being the same value. Because we'll clean it up after. 0. And we say, okay, well, if this and the one we're looking at are the same, then skip. So if they're not the same, okay, then I think we'd want to do the unique count is increased. The index. I'm just thinking. Like that, maybe? Like I said, there's a chance these two numbers should be the same thing. Oops. Okay. So what we'll do is, if I is equal to 0, we increase it, right? So we have at least 1. Then we compare. You've been wanting to learn JavaScript. Looks very similar to GML, which I already know. Yep, it's fairly similar actually. I do GameMaker dev, so I did that last night. It made learning GameMaker pretty easy. But GameMaker has like some of its own stuff. All right. So we'll start at -1. Last unique index is 0. Run. What? 2 and 1? Oh, right. Spirit of the question. Yeah. But that assumes that nums is at least oh, yeah, I guess that's true. Nums is at least 1. Okay, fine. Yeah. We wouldn't have needed that. Just use like the set of numbers. Why doesn't this work? Set. Make a set. Clear. Oh, goodness. The spirit of the question, guys. Okay. Majority element. I'm only doing easy ones today. Given an array nums of size n returns the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n divided by 2 times. You may assume the majority element always exists in the array. Okay. So here's our example. So n is nums of length. Why? Okay. We have at least one element. Can you solve the problem in linear time n in O1 space? Okay. O1 space. I hate these. Okay. So oh, what is that? Rounded down? Okay. More than this. Okay. Spirit of question. Because my first thought is like, okay, well, linear time, no end space. Because you could make like spirit of the question. Well, we're gonna sort. Because it doesn't say the order. So we should get something like 2, 3, 3. So, if we'll start from the first element. Nums of I. Oh, thank you for the follow. We'll start with count of 1. Nums of I minus 1. So if they're equal, the count goes up. Okay. Count is reset. We'll move ahead by 1. And then if count, need to switch to dark theme. Is this actually hurting your eyes? How do I switch to dark theme? Wow. I think it's in settings somewhere. Layout. Default note taking debug. Ooh, I don't know how. I think I'd have to go in preferences or something. It's not that bad, is it? Give me a second. Here, if it's actually bothering people, I know it does. Give me a second. There, that's dark theme. No. Anyway. Appearance, dark. What? Okay, I didn't have to change screen. Does that help? Return, so let's do a quick think. We sort if the numbers are the same, then we increase the count. If they are not, then we reset and we increment. Does this work? Is floor not a thing? What? What do they call it? Oh, math.floor. There we go. Wrong. Why does it say output is 2, expected 3? Huh, wait. Oh, more than... That should give us 1. What is it doing here? So 1 less than numbers of length. So you compare 1 with 0. They're not the same, so the count is reset, and we increment. Then we would compare. Maybe we shouldn't do that. Yeah, that is a problem. Hmm. Okay. Analyze complexity. Ooh. Unlock it. Maybe if we remove the maybe if we remove the okay. I'm wondering. Oops. Hash map. The spirit of the question. Okay. I mean, C++ sort. Oh, that's true. Wait. What are they saying? It'll always occupy the middle position. What if it doesn't? Oh, I guess it would, because like that's smart. Okay. That's smart. Yeah. That's a smart cookie. I mean, mine works. Yeah, you could use a hash map, but like, you know, smart cookie. Like this feels overly complex. What's the other one? More voting algorithm. That, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Can we do one more quick one? Best time to buy and sell stock? Oh, that sounds terrible. Let's do Roman to integer. This is like a university question. I think I had to do this for like a Perl question or something, or was it Pascal? I forget. By 7 different symbols with a value. 2 is written as 2, just 2 ones added together. 12 is written as 10, 2. Ooh, so complicated. Roman to int. So I can be placed before 5 and x. X can be placed before L and C. And C is for D and M. That's a pattern. I think it's the same sort of thing when you convert like integers to time. You go hours, minutes, seconds. So, are we given a string? Oh. Okay. Oh, so we don't have to go integer to Roman. We have to do the opposite. So and it goes biggest to smallest, right? MCMX. CM. XC. 4. So let's use this one as an example. Googling this algorithm, it is not standard, but that's cheating. The spirit of the question, you know? The point is to learn it, because you can't, on an interview, you can't just Google. That's why you look at the solution after. See, because you could brute force this and then make it look prettier after. So, you have a few days or weeks. I have 10 minutes. S is a valid Roman numeral. S contains only the characters. Okay. S is... but it's marked easy. It shouldn't be that bad. So the really, really simple thing would be to loop. Be like, oh, this is an M, therefore it's this value. So like, okay. How do you make a map inline? It should just be... Do you have to do new map? Really? That can't be. That's so annoying to do, but oh well. It's better than a bunch of if-elses later. D, C, L, X. D is 500. C is 100. L is 50. X is 10. We'll just get something working. It's fine. V and I. Yep. So the really naive approach is to slice S dot, is it splice? Or is it to array? Oh, it's split? Hmm? Really simple would be result is equal to Roman to int map lookup. Is it just brackets? You have to use get. This is the really simple. Obviously it's wrong. Right? It works for like super simple cases. The ones you have to deal with are like here. Right? The thing is it's descending, right? However, you're never going to have well, actually you can. No, you can't. Because you can't have IIV. Right? I think it's just like a look ahead a bit. So if y minus 1 if the previous value is less than the value, and then value minus equals value. So your previous value, so if we, where's our handy string? So we always have at least, okay. So I think instead of looking back, we should just look ahead. How big is it always? It's at least 1. Value next, so value less than this. Ooh, I made it more difficult. I do think we should be doing one look ahead instead. But we know it's always at least 1, so it's like, okay, well, we could look at this one and this one. And then but then we missed this value added. No, we'll just, it's fine. So we'll start from 0. This value let me think. So we will just add value every single time. If we get to this one and this is smaller than the next one, then the result is a minus value. Let's just do that. Does that work? Oops. Wait. I made a mistake. What do you mean it'll take a few days or weeks? I said I had 10 minutes. I did in 10 minutes. All right, let's see what the actual answer is. Between Roman numeral characters and integer values. Okay. Accumulate final integer. Each character in the input string. The value of the current character is -1. Yeah. And then you increment it and it becomes 9. Yeah. That's what I did. What do you mean it's not standard? That's from ChatGPT, yeah. Oh, using JavaScript, let's see. What'd you do there? I guess you don't need to, need to split the string. Can you just question? Wait. Can you just do that? What? Wait, okay, I didn't have to split it. Okay. Okay, well, there. Is there a faster solution? What's in Python? That's certainly one way to do it. How butchers the numeric system. Sorry, guys. That's certainly one way you could do it. As replace the outliers. But this, you only have to do it once. Anyways, it's not that bad. I'll eventually get. Oop. That's not what I wanted. All right. I think we're at time for today. That's what, 2 hours? That's not bad. It'll be worse when we get to the hard stuff. All the easy ones. Anyways, right. I have to let my dogs up and stuff. So End stream here. I am doing another Leet Code stream on what day is it? I don't even know my own schedule. Wednesday 8 a.m. We're doing another one. We're gonna do these in the morning, I think, because I have to do them anyways. Okay, so let's see. Who's streaming? I need to remember that I'm showing a browser window. I'll hide the browser window. There we go. Who is streaming? It's gonna. No one is streaming. Okay, wait. Mute tab. Someone's learning Blender. So we'll raid them, okay? Alright, so thank you for joining, everyone. I'm streaming Minecraft tonight, probably. We'll see if I'm dead from 3 hours of sleep. And if you like the Leet Code streams, I guess I'll see you on Wednesday. So have a good day, everyone. And I guess see you tonight. Maybe. Goodbye.